it's Housewife in Heels, and I'm going to be doing my latest shoe review and doing a little unboxing for you guys because why not? So I'm going to go ahead and just jump right into it. So I managed to get lucky enough to find a pair of Valentino pumps at the Neiman Marcus outlet, I want to say around Christmas time, for 660 bucks. These, the same exact kind of pair, if you Google them, are $1,100 retail right now. And so I think I got a fairly good price on them, and I think they are absolutely worth even the $660 that I paid for them, because I have worn these puppies to death. They go with everything. These are what I refer to as my sensible going out and getting stuff done heels. As well as my minimal blonde baby pumps, but both of them are just as comfortable as the other, really. These I can wear all day, every day. I would get these in different variations if I had all the money in the world, or if I found them at all the outlets in the world, or the two. I don't have a whole lot negative to say about them. I will say that there is a slight bit of wear, but probably when you wear a shoe a million times over, that can happen. A little bit of the thread from where the leather was sewn has kind of come out, but that's nothing a pair of scissors can't fix. And I would say a little bit of wear has happened with the toe box, just from it being a calf leather and not a patent. You usually find these in the patent black toe box, and then the straps are with the nude and the gold studs. I didn't like the nude at all, and when I saw I could get these in black, I went for it. So if I can ever find these where it's all black with the gold rock studs, I'll try and find them. I'll be a very happy girl. But other than that, I give these shoes a 10 out of 10. I think if you're looking to invest in luxury footwear, these are absolutely worth it. You will get your money's worth. Or if you're someone who can't really even wear a 100mm heel, where it does happen, they do have lower variations. But something else I would like to point out is that for this even being a calf heel, it has not gotten any damage. So that kind of speaks very well on it as far as the wear and tear, because say for example my Louboutins with a calf heel, they get beat up very fast. These have not gotten beaten up, and I wear them all the time, so they have withstood the test of me. So that speaks a lot for them. So 10 out of 10, love them, love them, love them. I will never get rid of them. I will wear them until they fall apart, and when that day comes, I will be a sad girl and see if I can find a way to replace them. But that will be what is said for those. On to the new stuff. How these will wear and tear, I don't know, because I have not worn them and I have not delved into this brand yet. I've been trying to get into different brands rather than just being a Louboutin royalist. So when I was over at the outlets in Cabazon, where I'm always trying to find lubes, I stumbled upon Philipp Plein, a designer that I've heard of before, but never really got into. He does a very punk rock sort of aesthetic, which is not really my style or something that I gravitate towards, but I thought I might as well give it a look and be a little bit open-minded. I'm not very discriminate when it comes to high quality shoes, so I'm going to give these a go, and then eventually let you guys know what I think of them when I wear them out and about one day. So here we go. And they came in dust bags, which was really nice. When I bought them, they were just going to put them in one, but I said, please put them in two, because I am the dust bag nut. I really admit it. And here is the shoe. It is a leopard print, and it kind of goes around the ankle. It reminds me of the Louboutin Jonatina. I don't have those, but if there's any designs I know I can relate to, it's Louboutin. But it gives me Louboutin Jonatina with the way the strap goes. And it gives me Tom Ford with sort of this spike heel. And then it comes with a little, I'm not not sure what you would call it. Just a little ornament on the actual heel of a skull. And I don't mind that because if you guys remember me getting my first McQueen piece, it was a wallet and it had a skull on it. So I'm not opposed to skulls every now and then, especially when they make it in such a really sophisticated looking satin shoe. I'm not going to be mad at that. So it looks like just a basic little sandal, but then they amped it up with this little skull. So I'm not upset at that. So I'm going to go ahead and put that one down and show you the other one because that's what I do. And I'm not sure if I've said this already, but this spiked heel gives me very Tom Ford padlock. I don't know if that was the inspiration behind it, but I look at it and I immediately think of that shoe. I do not have the Tom Ford padlock. One day I would like to acquire it, but I don't have $1,000 to spend on shoes whenever I want to. Otherwise, I would have every shoe under the sun by now. Maybe one day I will, but for right now, that is not the case. But yeah, the same thing where it would go around the ankle and it is buckled in, so luckily you do have the option of being able to expand it or make it tighter so long as you see fit. And this strap at the bottom looks like it could be fairly accommodating to anywhere from someone with a narrow to an average foot. It doesn't look like it would be that accommodating to someone with a wider foot, especially because the material is satin. From my experience with satin, it doesn't have too much give. It's really the leather underneath it that has to have the give. So we'll see about that, but I will go ahead and try both of these on for you guys so that way you can get a more up close and personal look at each shoe. And I thank you guys so much for watching.